Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps. Today I'm going to share with you HUMMER H2. I'm going to install the running board. As you see, my HUMMER has running boards. The other HUMMER needs the running board, and it's very easy and very simple process. The running board really helps for ladies and for kids to get in to the HUMMER. As you can see, when you get on the HUMMER is really higher than other cars. So you basically, every time you get in your HUMMER, you always use the running board, and that gives you easy access to your HUMMER. And let's get started. I have my package delivered. I'll open it. These are the running boards. Once it's installed, it's going to make your lady's life much easier and happier. Trust me. This is not only going to bring the beauty of the HUMMER, but it will be very much appreciated by the ladies. Now it will be easier for them to get on the HUMMER. This is the driver's side, and it's very easy to install it. The existing board, and these are upgradable items. All these accessories, you upgrade them. So what I have done, I just mounted one bolt here, one on this side. You mount the first two brackets in the middle, you tighten them, then you tighten the outer ones. You take the bolt, you put the washer in, one washer goes on the back side, and then this is the locking nut. So now I'm going to lift this one and I will align it. Look at how it started looking. It's beautiful already. I haven't done anything. And it just required like a 5-minute timing. Not only bring the beauty of your HUMMER, but it will help, as I mentioned, your lady will be pleased. Now she can step on it and get inside the HUMMER very easily and comfortably. And as for the kids, oh yes, they will love it. So I'm just doing the hand tight. I haven't done anything. This is the way it's gonna look. So I'm going to put all the bolts, then I'm going to tighten it, then I'll repeat the same process on other side. And I will show you at the bottom how they look. The railings on the driver's side. It takes 2 bolts here on the end, 4 in the middle, and 2 at the back. Already installed it. I'm just doing the hand tight. And now we're going to tighten these with the ratchet. This is the passenger side, and it's a one-man operation. If you have a 2-person, definitely it always helps. But if you are just by yourself, you just get the bolt, washer, and then you lift it right in the middle, just like this, and you just place it into the hole. And that's it. Once it's holded on one end, then you put the washer on the back of it. You just need one bolt to put it on. That's it. And now I can work freely on other side. On this side, just do the same thing. Align the bolt, put the washer on, put the locking nut. The first process is very simple, hand tight. As you see, it's falling down. Once I'm going to put the bolt on this one, it's going to look beautiful. Once we put it on the back, look at this. It's perfect, looking beautiful. The HUMMER already started looking good, and I can see the smile on my lady. She loves it. After installing the running board, the HUMMER looking beautiful. And if we look at on the other side, it looks awesome. It really brings the outlook. And now my lady is happy. She can step on it and very easily and comfortably she gets in the Hummer, and she have happy smile on her face, and she is waving, oh, I love it, I love it. She's saying she liked it. And that's how it's easy and simple to install your running boards on your Hummer. And as I've shown you, they look beautiful. This is really nice upgrade, and as I mentioned, for men it's not any issue because you can jump, you can just hop inside, but with the ladies and kids, this is a must. In case if you're interested, I will list the part number under my description. Thank you for joining Easy Step, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And for more Hummer videos, please stay tuned. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.